This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial on a step-by-step on how to transfer file from your USB flash drive into your PC without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you bring out your USB, just like what is right there. Your USB flash drive can be in any format, but what you need to pay attention to is the mount right here. So what you need to do is to make sure you insert this mount right here into your USB port or your PC. So I'm going to simply do it straight up. Once you insert it, a file or window must pop up on your PC, just like so. Now, in some cases, if a window like this is not pop up on your PC, what you need to do is to make sure you go to this PC right here, click on this PC, then you come to your device drive section right here. Here, the first one here is your PC hard drive, while the second one here is the USB that you just inserted into the PC. So which is the one we want to work on? We want to transfer file from this USB into our PC. Now, for us to transfer the file, we need to select the USB drive and we press Enter key. Once you press Enter key, it opens up the file folder. Then click on the folder, press Enter key. Then here you have all the files, documents you have in the flash drive. Now, for us to transfer any file from this particular USB into our PC, it's a very simple thing. Let's say, for instance, I want to transfer this particular PSD file format. What we want to do is to select on the file. Then having selected on the file, we can simply right click on the file and we make sure we look for copy. Once we click on copy, then we minimize, then we can right click on our PC, and then this time around we can create a new folder to paste all the file. So for us to do that, when we right click, we move straight down to new, then we go to folder, then we can call this one new file. So in this new file, this is where we want to paste everything. So I'm going to double click on the file so you can see the file folder is empty. Now for us to paste the file we copy from the USB, what we need to do is to right click on the empty space on the file, and then we look for paste. Just like so, we have the PSD file format right here. I can bring out this folder again and bring out on this particular folder right here. So we can move as many as possible file as possible. We can move JPEG, PNG, zip file. Let's, for instance, I want to move this zip file. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z to make a copy. Then I'll go back to my new file folder right here and press Ctrl V to paste. So we have the zip pasted right here. It's that simple. So once you are done with whatever file you want to copy from your USB flash drive into your PC, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you eject and remove the flash drive safely. And for us to do that, there are so many ways to do that. I will show you one of the easiest way to remove the flash drive so that the flash will not corrupt, the file will not corrupt. This is very much important as far as hardware remove and eject is concerned. So what we want to do next is to make sure we go back to this PC right here. So we have to come to the flash drive, we right click on it, and this option here is going to pump. Once we see this option pump up, next thing we want to do is to make sure we look for eject right here. Click on eject. Once you click on eject, the hard drive is going to disappear, and then it brought out this particular information right here, which simply means that you are free now to remove the hard drive. So I'm going to simply click on remove you. Once I remove, then you can see the screen here, everything disappear. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure we cover the mouth of our USB to protect any jams. It's that simple. So basically, this is a step-by-step on how to transfer file from your USB flash drive into your PC without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.